We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting and related words whose pronunciations vary between British English and American English, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. In British English, this is normally said as Tsar, Tsar, with an S sound and a long R sound, Tsar. In American English, however, it is usually said as Czar, Czar, with a Z or Z sound and R sound, Czar in American English versus Tsar in British English. And now you know. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.